Hello again. So Boxxy Preview 32, what's new? This release features almost 5 days of work, so it's kinda big, so I only tell you the most big changes. I'll start with the actual features and the changes in agent behaviors, and last but not least, I'll talk about the telemetry too, which is not as dramatic as you might want it to be. Alright, let's do this, Chief! Also, the agents don't think anymore. They drink water, and you should too! As unimaginable as that may sound, Boxxy has come to a state where she's so smooth, she forced us to enable her proactive mode by default. Of course, if you don't feel like it, you can still disable it from preferences. In general, it's a bad practice, and you should never share keys between apps, but if you want to do that, we ain't gonna stop you. But you really shouldn't. We massively improved and reduced the context we send to the models. It's now pretty much Claude code quality. Moreover, you can run Boxxy with the Boxxy debug context flag and see the full conversation between you and the agents. Cool, huh? We could already send attachments like images and large text in the message bar, but now we can do the exact same in the overlay conversations too. BTW, it seems like you can ask Boxxy how it works. Oh, and you see the context? Only 10K with 2 images and 2K might be cached already. Mega context reduction. You see that pin icon here? If you click it, you can pin that session. So next time you open a terminal, you will be able to select your pin session and picking up where you left off. You can basically start with Gemini and then switch and continue with QIn. All the history is saved in your local database. While model prompts aren't like, like code, they completely change the interaction experience. So Boxxy has tuned her agents to be more explainful, less aggressive, and have a better self-awareness. So if you last tried Boxxy like a week ago, give it a go again, and I promise you, you'll see a brand new world. Or not! So, we're finally here, and to put it simply, telemetry is pretty much your contribution to the project. You want a better Boxxy? Just leave it on. And to make you feel more comfortable with it, we have made it super transparent. For starters, the code is inside crates in telemetry, so you can ask GitHub AI to quickly review it. And honestly, nowadays you should do that for all open source projects as an extra layer of trust. Then, there is a page that explains how telemetry works and what exactly it tracks, which pretty much boils down to anonymous identifiers and not data that can identify you like IP addresses or terminal buffers. And you know what else? We keep all the data we collect completely open with the hope that it will prove useful to the community. Don't forget, Boxxy is still in early preview and we will continue to wipe your local database between updates, but even worse than that, Boxxy keeps hallucinating, like every model with a knowledge cutoff. So in the very next update, we will add a new web search tool so your local models will be able to search the web and get the latest information. And so, that was everything for now. Bye bye!